Now let's focus on the creation of a material for the interior of the fireplace. So let's go ahead and jump right into. I'll open the material editor. I'll create a new EYECONE design material. Let's rename this. And this one won't have any reflectivity as well. And we'll just plug in a diffuse color map, which will be a bitmap. And then we select some brick texture. And there you go. Now, in order for this to have a little bit more depth, I'm going to plug in a color correction into the bump map and plug in this bitmap into the color correction. That way, we can edit this so it has a little bit more contrast. Maybe darken a little bit. And then we can open the material and increase the bump quite a bit, something like 1. There you go. Now it's just a matter of selecting the object. Make sure that the shell is in the right place. And then apply this to the object and do a quick test render. So let's just edit this real quick, as always. Close this and do a test render. There you go. It's that simple. I'm just going to adjust the shell a little bit to something like 0.2 because it's too thick. And there we have it. This is the material. Bricks, they don't have reflectivity, they don't shine. So it's pretty much this. And in our next and final clip for this module, we're going to create a wood material for our Mery lounge chairs. So I'll see you guys then.